the Nanuk 910 logo here, and look at the size of the hinges, and look at Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Daniel. Today I want to talk about probably the best case you can get for your Mini 2 drone. This is made from Nanuk. It's made in Canada. But before I give you more info on the case, I just want to make a comment about the case that comes with the Fly More combo. And this is the one over here. And this will explain why I decided to buy this case here. The case that comes with the Mini 2, like I said in my Mini 2 review, is the weak element of the combo. It's a soft case. So if you want to use a case for hiking, like you're walking to your fly destination, this is fine with the shoulder strap. But if you want to throw that in the trunk of your car, I mean, it's a soft case. It won't give a lot of protection. You cannot use this as check-in luggage if you fly to a destination and you want to bring your drone. And even as a carry-on, you put that in the upper compartment. Somebody after you will come with a heavy briefcase, and you know how it works. They throw it up there, and this could very well, look at that, damage your drone. So, like I said, this is the weak element of the Fly More combo. And even the Mavic Mini, the first one, the case was, in my opinion, much better than this one. Now, the Nanuk case, like I said, made in Canada. This is a 910 series. It's the medium size, so you can buy this without the insert. And it is waterproof, dust-proof, lifetime warranty. And yeah, so let me open this, guys, and you'll see. This is my first Nanuk case, but I did a lot of research, and you will see what I mean when I say that this could be the best case for your Mini 2. So look at that here. The box is empty. Look at that. Nanuk 910, and there is a logo that says made in Canada. It's not very light, but it's not heavy either. But look at the build quality of this thing. Very nice handle, and I'm going to use my camera here. So very nice handle, like I said, with a lot of rubber. Look at the latches over here. There is a lock, so you cannot open like this. You have to press this, and then you can open it. So look at that. And then there is here a little hole to put a lock, and the Nanuk 910 logo here. And look at the size of the hinges, and look at the way they are built, like very sturdy. And if we look under the case, wow, this is like very impressive. Just looking at that here. Let me open this here, and like so. And this is actually like hard to open. I have to put my camera down. It's hard to open because Nanuk made it so that the hinges are very sturdy and it will not fall on your fingers. You know, that's the problem with some cases. It will open and stay up, and you can open it like all the way, just like that. And when you open this, there is a card, and that's the only thing that you see here. Look at that. Limited lifetime warranty. And it's probably, they say limited because, and I have to go to the website, probably because it's the first ownership. So if you sell it to somebody else, that's typically the case, right? Then that second owner will not have lifetime warranty. I should say that Nanuk makes cases for photographic equipment and also for emergency kits. This, I should have said that before. This video is not sponsored by Nanuk. I paid for the case. This is $104 on nanuk.com. That's Canadian dollars. So that's about 80 US dollars. A little more expensive than the cases you will see on Amazon, for example, but they're made in China. So for about, I would say, approximately $20 more, you get this very sturdy case. And look at the insert over here. And I'm going to use my side camera again because as I put equipment inside the case, I just want to make a few points here. So look at all the inserts over here. And I'm going to put the equipment in and you will see what I mean here. So if we put the controller right there, look at that. It fits right there. And you don't have to remove the sticks. Look at that. This is deep enough here that you can leave the sticks on the controller. So you don't have to remove them all the time and put them back on. So the drone will fit in this slot over here. We have the slot here for the battery charger or the hub. So you can have one battery in the drone, 3 here, and you can have 4. So you can actually go to a destination with 8 batteries. Now here this is for the charger. So you can put the charging block over here. And here you can put, I guess, the cable. And this is what I want to show as the second point here. Since I don't have these 4 batteries over here, what I am going to do is put the accessories, and I'm going to move this sideways here. I'm going to put the accessories where, so the spare props, I'm going to put them over here. Actually, I'm going to put 2 here together, and I'm going to put the screwdriver and the backup or the spare knobs for the controller over here. The charging cable, well, I'm sure if you fold it correctly, it can fit in the slot over here. And the same for the lightning cable and the Type-C. I'm using for my phone here a regular micro USB key. So by doing this, and this is what the pictures do not show on the Nanuk website, it allows you to put a device in the slot. So when I fly my drone, I don't use my phone. In case I don't like the idea of receiving a phone call or a text message or an email as I'm flying. So I always use a dedicated device for my drones. And for the Mini 2, I'm using my old Samsung S6, which is fully compatible with the DJI Fly app. So it fits over here. And I'm looking for, look at that. I did a video on the hood for the controller. So if you fly outside in the summer with the sun, this is the must-have accessory. So you can fold it like this. Actually, I don't remember the way it folds. I guess like that, I'm not sure. So if you put it over here, obviously it doesn't fit, but you can put it flat on top of your drone like that. And actually, you would probably have to put a masking tape maybe. But what I'm trying to do is that put all of my equipment in this case. So a piece of masking tape would probably work, and then you can just close it like that. So you can carry also your shade in the case. Wow, look at that. And again, looking at that in details here, look at all the equipment that you have in your case. And like I said, a slot here for your device. And then you can close this. And there is a lock again, like I said before. And look at that. Wow. You know what? And I said that in my video many times. It's the feeling. And that's something I cannot show you on video. But if you were here and touching this case, like the plastic is very thick. And look at the way it is designed over here around the latches. And like I said, the hinges here. I mean, this is built like a tank. There's no way you can destroy this thing. And look at that here. You can probably read that. It says pressure equalizer. So because this is watertight, it it could be hard to open or to close. So this thing here will equalize the pressure as you open it. So again, there is a lock here, there's a lock here, and then you open the case just like that. I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm very impressed with this case, and you can carry up to 8 batteries. So basically, if you go to a remote location for a couple of days, you could have easily like 4 flights on day 1, 4 flights on day 2. So, like I said at the beginning, this is my first Nanuk case. I'm very impressed with what I see. And for $80 US, I think this is an amazing deal. And again, you can get Nanuk cases if you have a Mavic Air 2, if you have a Mavic 2, even the Mavic Mini, there's a case for it. This is, as you can see here, specially designed for the Mini 2. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, if you have any questions about this case, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.